Alam mo, nagkaroon ng time, nabash ako malala eh. As in, merong nag-hate. So, alam mo yung mga freedom wall
Okay.
sa per college. Meron
Okay, okay.
yun, yung sa pages.
Oh my gosh.
Yung mga anonymous na
And then-
pinopost. Oh, may nag-hate. Napabigat daw ako sa group work. Tas super nag-viral. As in like, umabot lang almost 1 million engagements. Malala. It affected me.
This is on social, it's online? It's an online
on
thing?
Facebook. Page siya.
Page siya.
Page siya. Oh, tapos, super nag-viral yun. I was doing a show that time, naka-lock in ako. I was doing the Lost Recipe. And on time na yun, nag-full load ako dahil online lang lahat. So, sobrang offended ko na hindi pa nagigets ng... Tas, may lesson from all that din naman. May na-pick up ako.
Yeah.
Pero, naging big fight siya between my parents and I. Kasi gusto ko ng... Na-affect ako in a way na ayokong pumasok kahit online class.
Got it.
Kasi feeling ko, tinatawanan ako ng mga kaklase ko. Feeling ko, my gosh, eto ko sa showbiz, na-appreciate yung talent ko at yung time na binibigay ko. Tapos, bakit pa ako pumapasok? Ganon yung nasa utak ko. Para sa parents ko? Dahil sa promise? Yun na yung tone na.
Yeah.
All that hate coming towards you, kahit anong lakas ng loob
Oo
mo,
nga.
kahit anong talino mo, there was so much hate coming towards your way. And hindi lahat yun mababounce off mo. The energy is coming towards you. So, ang masakit pa, meron akong mga high school like batchmates nag-share. So parang ako, tumatawa sila na parang, wait lang, wala naman akong bad past sa inyo. Parang,
Oh.
why are you enjoying and seeing me fall like this? Ang dami kong na-realize nun. One big lesson is, there are some people really close to you. Sila pa yung unang magsasmile when they see you fail.
I know
Right?
those people.
Right. Yung pain na ma-feel mo once you experience that, nakakalakas talaga siya. Make sure lang you don't become bitter. It's important you catch yourself na hindi ka maging bitter. Kasi yun yung natutunan ko after na parang I asked God, bakit ba ito hinayaan mangyari sa akin? What's in it for me? What do you want me to learn from this? Tapos yung nakuha ko is, hindi umiikot naman talaga yung mundo sa atin each. It's easy to sink into ourselves.
Yeah.
And yun, I was balancing two things, two worlds, and feeling ko, nakalimutan ko na yung mga kaklase ko sa college, hindi pa nagtatrabaho. College pa lang sila.
Exactly.
Tapos hindi nila mag-gets yung pressure na binabalance ko yung dalawa. So I can't expect na when I
Yes.
talk to them and explain na kailangan ko magpa-nails para sa show at may taping ako, hindi nila makikita at trabaho yun for me. Gets? Parang ginudge. Kaya yun yung rant niya kasi sa post niya na nagpa-nails pa pa daw ako.
Oh my gosh.
Na mayroong deadline.
I totally get this because
You get-
we were like full on sponge cola in college.
You were still in college,
Yeah.
yeah.
And my mom, even when I graduated, she said, alam mo, I didn't even think you would graduate. As when we went to the car na after graduation, which is so funny. Kasi parang, we were so busy. And I know what you mean na there are just people who...
Diba? Hindi lahat.
who wala sa...
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Oh, alam, kasi talagang may mga things kang matututunan at marirealize pag nagwo-work ka na.
Yeah.
And nagkataon, medyo nauna ako sa mga kaklase ko mag-work. So, medyo sa akin yun, I think, na fault ko yun. To expect na gets na nila yun. Dapat mas ako yung naging bigger person at mas naging aware ako, mas naging sensitive ako somehow.